Hello guys. Actually, I have tested my phone to free. That was great. Everyone, I wish best of luck for your future. What is going on once again? It's clear, I think. Some reflection going on in my class, so don't observe that much. Now I am going to discuss technology now. Okay? Because of technology, we are enjoying a lot. We are enjoying. We are getting so much time for the enjoyment, but still we are losing many of the benefits from ancient. For example, if we don't have the smartphone and the communication systems, including laptops, computers, and the movable transport system, including maybe it was train or plane, whatever, we are losing our ability to sustain ourselves without an dependence. Earlier we should go and walk in the jungle, in the road, in the river, everywhere by walk with the help of natural air and natural food around. We are just taking and we are moving continuously. And at that time we are very healthier also. We are getting time also for the per se. If we are having some relatives in some other village, still it was maybe distance around 30 kilometer, 40 kilometer. It doesn't matter to them because they are having animals. With the help of animals and with the help of their only own legs, they use that time to travel and explore the relative place also. Nowadays we are not going outside of our home only. I am not saying anything. I am pointing out towards the young generations. Now they are doing like this, no? Sitting in the room and playing with the video games and mobile and many things are there. They are now addicted to home. If we throw means if we released in the jungle for 1 month, almost the 90% of children will die because of frustration, I think. Because they don't know how to use the nature, how to enjoy natural things around them, how to explore the new things, how to get good food out of the nature. They don't know. They used to take orders from Zomato, Swiggy and other food delivery is there in the all over world. Actually, food is delivering by the online sites. Many are there. Actually, in India, we will say it was a food. We can say Zomato, Swiggy, and Domino's. Multiple online sites are there. They are doing the delicious food. They are adding. They are not looking about how the food is made, what oil they used. Just ordering it was very tasty. That's why we have money, we have mobile. Just order it. Okay, let it be. Do it. And that time, they one family person, maybe elderly, he was plus, and his daughter married to some village guy. It was a distance of 50 kilometers. I think it was very far at that time. And they used to take a government bus. I am saying a original story. Government bus up to 20 kilometers. Then he used to take a bull's ride. Means there is a rickshaw called bull's rickshaw. In our village we can say chatta in our language. It's used for donkey traveling also, and normal bulls also full in that vehicle. That was not a vehicle, engine vehicle. It was a manual vehicle. They have only two wheels, and it is not it to the bulls and donkey and horses. Okay, it was like the transport at that time. They can pull or tons of load on their shoulder. Okay, that was very hilarious. Now we will feel animal harassment now. Yeah, it was maybe possibilities that time. It was a me mode of life. They used to love animals also. They know how to use their animal, how to treat them, how to wish them, how to pray for their life and their betterment. They addicted to the land mostly. So I am continuing that story. It was real story. I will explain you later on whenever if possible. I will explain you whose story it is. Please remember me. If you question it, then only I will express whom story. Okay. So one person is given his daughter to village guy. It was 50 kilometer far away from his homeland, means home city. So he used to travel by government bus. It was a timely, mainly daily one time. It was traveling this side to that side. Okay, only one time. There is no other modes. There is no other cars, rickshaws, any other transports are available. There is no bikes. Actually, that was too costlier for them to buy bicycle that time. So they used to take 20 kilometers of a bus ride. Later on, they used to take 15 kilometers of chatka, and remaining with all the luggage, he should walk to the village with the heavy luggage on a shoulder. Okay, so after reaching, after starting their journey on the morning, he used to reach his village, means his daughter village, at night. So again he will take a dinner at night, and later on he used to take a rest. Maybe he will go for a sleep. Again in the morning you should leave for his city. So he just came for a 1 hour enjoyment. Actually, after that he gone for a sleep. Just for a 1 hour, he traveled one whole day to reach there. What we call the love. So that type of the power they gained from the nature at that time. Now, if you go 4 kilometers around with the Google Map problems, no, with the Google Map, you will go 4 kilometers walking. You feel my knees are getting pain and my shoulder is getting pain. Actually, our body is like that only now because of our food and our hair, pure hair. We can call pure hair and pure water. They are doing much betterment for the mankind now. I am not saying it was better at that time, no. In the previous 20 years, 30 years before, they don't know what is mineral water. Actually, they don't require at all at that time, because they are enjoyed with the natural water without any purification, any purification. They are enjoyed and they live with that purification. With the hairs, now we will see the hair index. That time they don't know what is hair index. They are enjoyed without that fear of the environmental damage, because they know what to do with the environment and what will do back to them the environment. So that was the main reason. So they are never afraid of any wrong directions from people. They have done their life with excellence. Actually, they never building like this, but they live very cool and happy life, I will say. Actually, we built this building, and we are not living with the happiness they lived earlier, because nowadays, as the increasing of technology, at the same time our body also decreasing our capacity. In the meantime, we are enjoying every time with the light. It was shining around the world, actually around the world, not I am saying the one room, burning their light, their bulb, and showing the lightness in the area. I am saying entire world is burning the light and electricity, so they are enjoying, we can say, clear view everywhere in the night also. Actually, the God also doing in the night, so you will never find a darkness behind. Actually, it was not a darkness. At that time, they used to take a darkest nights with the hunting without a torch. Actually, you can find they don't have torch, don't have any equipment to take any sound something. They used to take original life, because the nature has given them that power. They can see in the darkness earlier, and now we are losing our capability. We can say our abilities to see in the darkness, and we are losing our ability to hear the sound of nature. We are addicted to the Bluetooth, super microphones, which were there now. Nowadays, I don't know what is going on. And the treatment, yeah, now it was very interesting actually. It was always interesting for me. It was very destruction topic for me. Always, I will say many things about the medical facilities which is going on around the world. Now we have everything. You see, you can take a vitamin A tablet, vitamin B tablet, C tablet, D tablet, K tablet, phosphate, manganese, iron. What do you want? You will get in a tablets. At that time, they don't know tablet actually. If they are gone with some massive, what we can say, accidents, then also they used to take Ayurveda treatment. That Ayurveda, you might be know what is Ayurveda. That was made by purely veg, with the leaves and the stems of plants, and they are grinded with the natural, not electrical. Keep in mind, that was grinded with the natural grinder with the hand, and they are taken extraction of that liquid, and they are applying to their body with the 100% pure soul and pure interest. And they don't know the MRI scans, CT scan. They used to take just we will take what, no, this, I am Raj, I am doing both, I am promising this, like that. No, when they touch the person, that type of the education is gone in the medical history earlier. So they used to take examination by hand and the senses. So they used to take exact solution from his own brain with the concentration. They used to treat very well. They never failed again in any subject actually. In this situation, we will find they are doing graduation and MBBS from the most reputed college, and failing in the, we can say, they are leaving their things like scissor, knives inside the body, and it was mistake from a medical team, and they are doing with a multiple team actually. One operation conducted by the many persons, means many expertise nowadays. So you can find the superiority in the education now. Let's come to the medical term now. At the time, they can fix a broken bone from a natural calamities and big massive accidents from the any attack also. For example, if tigers maybe attack someone, and they can treat to them, and the most dangerous poison, we can say, cobra, na? Actually, we just to know how to treat that, and we need to apply that cream, that was actually some first aids are there now, but at that time they are addicted to live with the cobras. They are practiced to educate the cobras. Actually, they are playing with the cobras. Actually, I seen actually in the India, no, they are actually, we can see the god also. The cobra is around his neck. So like that, actually, children and the parents also, they educated what to do if cobra bites you. So they are never afraid of that thing. They are always living in the jungle only. Normally, city and the villages are came later on the part of jungle journey of mankind. So they never thought because it's very poisonous and we need to keep them away, and they never killed. Actually, they are devoted about. Actually, they prayed and they did pujas to them. Actually, we say they were very much closer to the environmental practice. And one more thing, they never wear their sandals and the shoes. You can see everyone having a sports shoe and leather shoe, leather belt, and other sandals, everything. They never wear it. Actually, they gone very naked, legs, and the naked in the every part of the world, in the jungle, in the river, in the, we can say, in the agriculture land, in the mud, everywhere they used to take ride, walk casual. So that was a very crucial part of their journey. So that was very important also. Actually, we don't know the power of healing. You will see, is there any creatures are wearing shoes and sandals? No, actually, I have not seen it. Maybe you said, I don't know. So after wearing these, no, we will lose our abilities to fight against diseases. So we may lose our electricity conduction from Earth. We will might almost Earth has a minus electricity, and maybe having some massive, we can say, proteins and we can say circulation from we can say intangible network was passing directly to bodies, so they can heal themselves. One more thing, see, there are multiple topics are there, not tablets. They are inside of me, and I don't know when I will throw it out one by one. It was just the beginning, okay? So thanks for watching my vlog. Right, and watch my other videos also. I will share this on my Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, Instagram I might upload very later. Means I'm not want to show up my vlogs to my relative friends. Actually, they are the one to pull my leg earlier than the others. So that's why I feel it was not good to show them now. If I got a good recognition, good response from the audience, I'll definitely show them what I am explaining everything. So seriously, thank you very much for watching my channel, and I wish all the best, and try to understand what I'm saying. I'm not doing for others to just for entertainment. Okay, it was very helpful to you and your children also who are watching. Your children, your families, please share and encourage me to do like this video to get benefit from me. Okay, thank you.